If you are a plastic surgeon running a private practice in Australia, your insurance requirements are at the more complex and higher stakes end of specialist medical practice. You are performing procedures that are largely elective, often self-funded by patients, and subject to very high expectations of outcome. Patient satisfaction is central to your business model, but it is also the source of your primary insurance risk. The gap between expectation and outcome in elective cosmetic and reconstructive surgery generates claims that make specialist medical indemnity coverage essential. Here is what cover plastic surgery practices need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Medical indemnity insurance is the most important and typically the most costly cover for a plastic surgeon. It responds to claims arising from your surgical work, complications, adverse outcomes, alleged failures of consent, post-operative management disputes, or results that do not meet patient expectations. Plastic surgery medical indemnity is a specialized category with its own risk assessment methodology. Indemnity levels for plastic surgeons need to reflect the potential quantum of claims. Cosmetic surgery outcomes can generate significant claims, particularly in the context of elective procedures. Coverage should be obtained through a specialist medical indemnity provider with specific experience in surgical specialties. Public liability insurance covers non-clinical injury and property damage on your practice and facility premises. This is distinct from your medical indemnity coverage. Facility insurance for any day procedure facility or rooms you operate covers the building, fit out, equipment, and the specific liabilities of running a clinical facility. If you operate your own facility rather than using a hospital, your insurance obligations expand significantly to cover the facility's own public and products liability, equipment breakdown, and compliance obligations. Business interruption insurance covers revenue loss if an insured event forces your practice to close. For a plastic surgeon with a full surgical list and significant practice overhead, an unplanned closure has material financial consequences. Runoff cover is worth understanding. It covers claims that arise after you've retired, sold your practice, or changed insurers. Medical indemnity claims can arise years after a procedure, and ensuring continuous runoff coverage is part of responsible practice management. What does it cost? Plastic surgery medical indemnity premiums are at the higher end of specialist medical indemnity due to the procedure-specific risk profile. Premiums vary based on your procedure mix, volume, and claims history. Speak with a specialist medical indemnity advisor who understands plastic and cosmetic surgery. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your plastic surgery practice. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.